Rahim. Mathematics solution by Dishan Toki. Assalamu alaikum. Class 9th Mathematics chapter 6. We will discuss sequence and series. What is sequence? A sequence of numbers formed under some definite rule. For example, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. 2, 4, 8 up to so on. These sequences. We 6.4. Question number 1. Find the sum of all the integral multiples of 3 between 4 and 7. Find sum of all the integral multiples of 3 between sequence. Now we have to sum up the sequence. We have to sum up the sequences 6, 9, 12 up to so on 96, because sequence is the sum of all the integral multiples of 3 between 4 and 97, and they are 6, 9, 12 up to so on 96, and we have to find out the sum. But we know that by arithmetic propagation an equal a plus n minus 1 is to d. What is the nth term, which is 96? A is the first term, which is 6, plus n, we have to find out the value of n, and d is the second term minus first term. Yet it means 9 minus 6 equals 3. 6 is plus in right hand side. When it goes to left hand side, it must be minus. 3 n minus 3 ones are 3. 96 minus 6, 90 equal 3n minus 3. 3 is subtracted on the right hand side. When it goes to left hand side, must be positive. 93 equal 3n. 3 is multiplied. When it goes to left hand side, it must be divided. The value of n is 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 31. Why we have to find out the value n? Because in the question we have to find the sum of all the integral multiples of 3 between 4 and 97, and the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 is to d. This is the formula of sum of all the integrals, sum of series. We have to find out the sum of all the integrals, and in this we have to find out the value of n, so that we can put the value of n. Now the required sum of integrals, value of n 31 upon 2. 2 is to a means the first term, and the first term is 6. 2 is to 6 plus n is 31 minus 1 d 9 minus 6, which we have to sort out the value of d. 9 minus 6, which is 3. That becomes 31 is to divide by 2. 12 plus 33 are 90. 90 plus 12 becomes 102. 2 5s are turned, 2 1s are 2. Then the required sum 31 multiplied by 51 becomes 1581. This is the sum of the integrals. Now in question number 2, we have to find out the sum the series. In question number 2, first part, sum the series. Minus 3 plus minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to so on. We have to find the sum of series up to a16. It means we have to find out the sum of series s16. It means the first term a is minus 3, and what is d? D is second term minus first term, minus 1 minus, and the first term is minus 3. Minus minus plus, the value of d is 2, and n is given. This is 16 term, a16, it means n is 16, and we have to find out the sum of series, and the formula is Sn equal n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 is to d. Sum of series up to a16, it means we have to find out s16. Put n is equal to 16. 16 upon 2, 2 is to minus 3, 16 minus 1 is to d, and what is the value of d? Which is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 8 minus 6, 15 is to 2, 30. When we subtract 30 minus 6, the result is 24. S16, sum of series up to 16, 8 into 24. 24 when multiplied by 8 becomes 192. It means S16 is equal to 192. The required sum is 192. Now we have discussed second part, 3 over under root 2 plus 2 under root 2 plus 5 over under root 2 up to so on a13. The first term a is 3 upon under root 2. D is second term minus first term 2 under root 2 minus 3 over under root 2. 2 under root 2 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है 1 है. Under root 2 will be taken as LCM. When under root 2 multiply by 2 under root 2 it becomes 2 under root 2 का whole square because under root 2 2 time multiplied. Minus this term cancel out 3. Square root से cancel. 1. The value of D is 1 over under root 2. Value of D is 1 over under. And what is n? N is 13 because this is the series up to 13 and we have to find out S13. Sn equals sum of formula of the sum of series. Sn equal n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 is to D. We have to find out S13. It means put n equal 13. A1 means 3 over under root 2 plus n is 13 and D is 1 over under root 2. It becomes as 13 equal 13 upon 2. 2 3 that 6 over under root 2 plus 12 over under root 2. Now it becomes 13 upon 2. Under root 2 will be taken as LCM. Under root 2 से कट गया. The result is 2 6 plus 12 which becomes 18. Then S13 is equal to 13 upon 2 12 plus 6 18 upon under root 2. 2 1s are 2 2 9s are 18. When we multiplied 13 with 9 it becomes 117 and the 17 over under root 2. This is the 13th term. बेटा हमने ये डिस्कस की है, सम ऑफ सीरीज डिस्कस की. इसमें कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो अगर आपको ना समझ आई हो तो लाजमी कमेंट्स में बताएं ताकि आपको और बेहतर तरीके से समझाया जा सके. देखिएगा सम ऑफ इंटीग्रल का फार्मूला आपने ज़हन रखना है. एस एन इज़ इक्वल टू एन बाई 2 2a प्लस एन माइनस 1 इज टू डी. इसमें हमें सबसे पहले n चाहिए था तो हमारे पास देखें सम इंटीग्रल ऑफ 3 बिटवीन 4 एंड 97 ये सीक्वेंस थी. तो ए एन यूजिंग अरिथमेटिक प्रोपोगेशन फार्मूला लिखा. ए एन 96 था, बाकी वैल्यूज़ पुट की तो एन आ गया और फिर सम ऑफ सीरीज निकाल ली. बेटा इसमें कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो अगर आपको ना समझ आई हो तो लाजमी कमेंट्स में बताएं ताकि आपको और बेहतर तरीके से समझाया जा सके. और बेटा आगे तमाम आने वाली वीडियोस अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें ताकि आने वाली तमाम वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सकें और आप उससे इस्तिफ़ादा हासिल कर सकें. बहुत शुक्रिया बेटा, दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हम सब के लिए आसानियाँ पैदा करे. जज़ाकल्लाह. खुश रहें हमेशा.